As you dive deep into your exam preparations, spending hours in front of screens, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and burnt out. But there's a simple technique that can help you maintain your focus and health. The 20-20-20 rule. The 20-20-20 rule is designed to reduce eye strain and mental fatigue. Here's how it works. For every 20 minutes you spend looking at a screen, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. This simple practice can make a world of difference. When you're preparing for exams, your eyes and brain are working overtime. Constant screen time can lead to eye strain, headaches, and reduced concentration. The 20-20-20 rule helps by giving your eyes a chance to relax, reducing the risk of digital eye strain. By incorporating this rule into your study routine, you'll notice several benefits. Enhanced focus. Regular breaks prevent your mind from getting fatigued, helping you stay focused for longer periods. Improved eye health. Reducing eye strain can prevent long-term vision problems. Increased productivity. Short breaks can rejuvenate your mind, making you more productive when you return to studying. Implementing the 20-20-20 rule is easy. Set a timer for 20 minutes while studying. When the timer goes off, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. You can also use this time to stand up, stretch, or take a few deep breaths. Remember, taking care of your eyes and mental health is just as important as studying hard. By following the 20-20-20 rule, you're not only protecting your vision, but also ensuring you stay motivated and productive throughout your exam preparations. So let's beat burnout together, one break at a time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.